Welcome to our tutorial on downloading and installing Postgres. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process. Before we begin, it's important to understand what Postgres is. Postgres is a relational database management system, and at its most basic level, Postgres stores data in tables made up of rows and columns. But it's especially designed to be fast when working with large sets of data like budget or payroll data. The installation process will take 5 to 10 minutes, so let's begin. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to enterprisedb.com. When the web page loads, you'll choose Developers from the menu at the top of the screen. Then choose Download Postgres. You're going to see a list of different versions of the Postgres software. The most recent version will always be at the top of the list. As of this recording, the most recent version is 16.2. This software is updated regularly, so make sure you choose whatever version is at the top of the list. Move your mouse over to the Windows x86-64 column, then select the download link. When the download is finished, you can start the installer program by opening the application from your browser's download list. Or, if you don't see the downloads list in your browser, you can open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to begin installing Postgres. Windows may ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. You'll select Yes. Now, we're going to walk through each step of installing Postgres. You can use the default choices for every step of the installation, so select Next to begin. You'll start by selecting where to install the Postgres application. Typically, you'll use the default location, so select Next to proceed. Next, you will choose the components that you want to install. I2M needs everything except for Stack Builder, which is not required to run our software. Uncheck Stack Builder, then select Next. Next, you'll choose a folder to store your Postgres data. Typically, you'll want to use the default location, so select Next to proceed. Now you must create a super user or master password for Postgres. Be sure to choose a password that is secure and memorable. And make sure you store the password in your password manager or write it down someplace safe. After entering a password twice, select Next to continue. Next, you'll choose a port number for Postgres. Again, you'll want to use the default port of 5432, so select Next to proceed. Next, you'll choose the locale or language of the database. Use the default setting and select Next to continue. The next screen is going to show you an installation summary of all the preferences that you specified with the installation wizard. Select Next to proceed, and then select Next to begin installing Postgres. The installation process will probably take several minutes. Let's speed this up. When the installer has finished installing Postgres, you can select Finish. And there you have it. Now Postgres is running on your computer. The next video will guide you through configuring Postgres for use with I2M software. Thanks for watching.